This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Garmin Connect. To begin, download the Garmin Connect app from your preferred app store, available on both iOS and Android devices. Once installed, create a new account or simply log in using your existing Garmin credentials. The next crucial step is pairing your Garmin device, whether it's a smartwatch or fitness tracker, to the app. This seamless connection ensures all your activity and health data automatically syncs, providing you with a comprehensive overview of your fitness journey right from the start. Garmin Connect transforms your raw activity data into meaningful insights. After your workout, dive into detailed statistics for activities like running, cycling, or swimming. You can analyze key metrics such as distance covered, average pace, heart rate zones, and elevation changes. The app provides a rich visual representation, helping you understand your performance over time. You can even customize data screens on your device to see exactly what you need during your activity, enhancing your real-time feedback. Beyond workouts, Garmin Connect offers a holistic view of your health and wellness. Effortlessly monitor daily steps, track your sleep patterns, and understand your stress levels throughout the day. A unique feature is the body battery, which shows your energy reserves, helping you manage your daily activities and rest. You can also set and track personal goals for various aspects like daily steps, weight management, or sleep duration, empowering you to make informed decisions about your well-being. Garmin Connect isn't just about personal data, it's also a vibrant community. Connect with friends, share your achievements, and join exciting challenges to stay motivated and competitive. Discover new routes and courses uploaded by other users, expanding your training possibilities. Furthermore, you have the flexibility to personalize your dashboard and reports within the app, ensuring you see the most relevant information at a glance. This customization makes your Garmin Connect experience truly your own.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.